Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's review, I'm going to be reviewing this $4 Adventure Force HyperShot. This is just so freaking cool. I mean, I guess I'll explain more into this. Also, I got new glasses. Anyway, the reason why I just showed you the reason why I think it's so cool is it doubles as a prop and as a functional dart blaster. Not to mention the performances are amazing. So the way it works is it's fairly simple. It's like a knife finder. You pull this thing back, put a dart in, and then you have 2 darts for storage. Yet it would be useless in a holster. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, what that noise is in the background is, I'm 3D printing something. So that's the reason why. Anyway. You hold 2 darts for storage. It usually comes with 8. I have 4 for this demonstration. And honest to God, this has the most power. This is like the most powerful $4 blaster I've ever bought. I bought 2 of these. One of them I've actually modified at this point. Kind of look like this. All I did was an AR removal and one of my famous crappy paint jobs. And this time I got an enamel to kind of protect the paint from chipping and such. Anyway, getting back to the into the HyperShot video. Like I said, the way it works, you pull this thing back into your click, put a dart in, and then bam. Repeat cycle for however many times you can do it. And there is a bit of a kick to it when you just do this, and then it has a slight kick. And of course, if you want to just use this as a prop, you take the darts out and then just use it as a blowback pistol of some sort, which is honestly really cool. Let's see, what else? I gotta say, the grip's very tiny, but this is probably meant for little kids, not for grown-ass adults. There are no tactical rails of some sort, which is pretty cool. You can pull the slide back as many times as you want, and it won't damage the blaster. As far as modifying this was also a bit of a pain, because there were certain parts that had to go in certain order, and there were no mod guides. And I might have to make one from just because there's just hardly any mod guides, let alone internal pictures of the internals of this gun or blaster. And as far as its firepower and accuracy, I'm going to test it now. So I'm going to aim for that silver. Yeah, okay, it's in the picture. I'm aiming for that silver ring right there. Flat shot. Okay, so it's accurate, but not as accurate as I thought it would be. I'm going to try an angled shot. Maybe if I can pull it off. Okay, that didn't work. But I can honestly say that this gun would be pretty awesome in a Nerf, or this blaster would be pretty awesome in a Nerf war of some sorts. Seeing that it has a blowback feature, which is pretty much useless. It's more of a cosmetics look and a prop look. But its firepower is pretty amazing. So if I were just to do this bounce back wall test that I usually do. Hits me in the leg, has a tremendous amount of force and power, and for $4 you get a blaster like this and 8 darts. It's pretty impressive looking blaster. It has blowback, like I said, but that's again a cosmetic look. Although this one's sensitive, so if I just pull the trigger slightly. Without releasing this thing, you can see that it goes back. Let's do that. Gives it a more of a blowback feature. Again, the blowback feature is a cosmetic look. It doesn't increase performances. It just makes it look cooler. Now, also what I've done with my modified version, I took out that 2 dart holder because it's useless. I mean, in my opinion, because if you shove 2 darts in its place, like kind of like this, you can't really shove that into a pocket. That's my point with it. And I really like this blaster. It also reminds me of like a Nerf gun or Nerf blaster maracas. You know. So like I said, I can't test the ranges. It's sunny out, but I don't know. I haven't got around to test all the ranges for all the blasters yet. I might just cram that into one giant video, honestly, and find a tape measure or something. As far this doesn't come with instructions, but it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, just like a night finder, minus the laser and the extra dart storage. Or actually, this does have dart storage. Whoops. The night finder also has dart storage. I forgot about that. Its ammo capacity. It comes with 8 darts, but you can only hold 3. 2 for storage, 1 for shooting. Rate of fire is basically how fast you can put a dart into this and then pull this back and then shoot. Reload time's fairly simple, very easy. Anyone can pick it up and use it. Just slap dart, pull this thing back. Simple. As far as the ranges are good. Well, actually, the ranges are NA at this point. Like I said, it's sunny out, but I haven't had a chance to test all the blasters I've said I haven't done range tests on. But it's firepower, just doing the wall bounce back thing that I usually do, where I just shoot up straight at the wall, leveled shot, and it bounces back, depending how far it bounces back. If, say, it lands in front of me or like way in front of me, it won't work. As like a long distance blaster. If I do it level and it comes like in the middle, or say hits my foot or something, or hits my thigh, that's pretty much a tremendous amount of power. And if it hits the wall and bounces way past me, or think it could go past me, that's a tremendous amount of power. That's the way I judge things with the wall bounce back, since I don't have range tests at the moment. And the specialty is it's a prop doubled as a blaster that shoots foam darts. So honestly, I give this 9 out of 10, to be completely honest. This is like $4 at a Walmart, plus tax, depending on where you live and which country you reside on, or which state you reside in. But you get 8 darts, which is a little bit more than the night finder. Like, I think 5 darts? 5 darts more than the night finder would usually come with. And it's just a tremendously powerful blaster that shoots foam. And like I said, doubles as a prop. And it is modified. I can't talk today. You can still modify it. Still keep the blowback. It's not as powerful of a blowback, and sometimes it sticks a little bit. I made the mistake of putting enamel on this at the very last step, like where I put everything back together and then just enameled the crap out of it. Then I got it stuck. But I somehow made it go free after hitting it a bunch of times. Don't do that. Do the enamel when everything's already taken apart. So that is it for today's review on the Adventure Force HyperShot. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. This is a 9 out of 10. If you have $4 and like 50 cents, I would recommend picking up one of these, or maybe 2. I picked up 2, and got pretty much double the ammo and double the fun. And as far as modifying these, I would just take out this dart holder thing because it's useless at this point. It doesn't serve any like performance boost. It may make the gun lighter, maybe easier to spin. Dropped it. But regardless, this is still a very good blaster of mine. I'd probably be buying more of these just to modify and tinker with them a little bit. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys have a good day, night, life, and everything else. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video might be the brain saw, which I got from a fan, or the blow dart blaster, which is the other one that a fan sent me. See you guys later.